How to change language in ChatGPT app on your iPhone. So first of all, open your ChatGPT and then from here tap on your menu bar right here. Then tap on your profile icon right here. After doing that, here if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of general. Tap on it, then tap on app language. So after doing that, we'll get to the settings. From here, scroll down, then tap on a language. And in here, you can see these are the suggested language that you might have on your phone system. If you scroll down a bit, you can see these are other languages that you can select. You can see it only has limited language. If you can't find your desired language, what you can do is go back to your main settings on your phone. And on your main settings, what you're going to do is scroll down and then tap on general. Then from here, scroll down until you see language and reason. Tap on it. And then from here, you can now tap on add language. And in here, you can now search for any language that you desire. So in here, I'm going to go with Italian. Simply tap on it and then tap on use English. And it is updating your language. And in here, you can see Italian has been added. Now you can go back, get to your ChatGPT's settings. For that, again, you can open your ChatGPT in here, do the same process again. Tap on your profile right here. Scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on app language. We'll get to the settings. From here, scroll down, tap on language. Then we have the Italian right here, which previously I couldn't find under this option. All you need to do is tap on it, go back and open your ChatGPT. And in here, you can see we have successfully changed our language. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.